Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add bank account to Amazon. To start, open and locate your Amazon application in your mobile device. Once you are here, click on your profile. Then tap on your account. In here, wait for Amazon to finish loading. Now scroll down when you reach your account. In here, you're going to need to look for Payments. In here, once the window loads, we are going to be adding a payment method. Just click on the yellow button that says Add a Payment Method. Once you tap on it, Amazon application will now load. Once it finishes loading, in here, the next step is we are going to be needing to input our details for our new payment method to be added on Amazon. In here, let's start with the card number, and then expiration date, security code, and everything else needed to input for your card so that we can add this as a payment method over at Amazon. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.